above your head.
Slide your knee.
Mark, hands up your head.
Wizard, hard.
There we go, Mark. Come up. Good.
There you go. Watch the triangle, Sam.
Mark, get up close guard. Now we work.
Bernard at 11. Maria, Bernard at 11.
Mark, good. Drag it arm drag, arm drag, arm drag.
Grab his collars, punch his collars into his
Drag that arm across, Mark. Mark, push his legs back in, close that guard.
Grab his knee with your right hand, inside his knee.
Mark, you can let go of that
Push
sleeve.
that other way. Yeah,
Push his hip away. Mark, push his hip away. Look the frame and push his hip away. Yep. Get your close guard. Back door, back door. Mark, come out the back door. Take his back. Come out the back door. Mark, come out the back door. Up on your knees. Mark, up on your knees. Mark, turn to your knees. Very good. Nice. Rotate. You're good. Keep get that hand on that. Fight the hands.
You can turn that.
Fight the hands.
Reaction, slide down. Grab his pants with your right hand.
You're not going to be able to just roll him over.
Grab his pants with your right hand. Yep, hang on to that.
Mark, let's let go of that leg and put the reins up walking. Get your right hand out of his gi. Or your
Take
left
your
hand.
time, make your
There you go.
adjustments, Sam.
Yep, now make, Mark,
slide,
create
slide back.
space.
Yep,
Create
north,
space.
south. Keep going this way.
Don't just pull his gi up. Create something that pushes
Going
his head
left.
up.
Eugenio Santos,
There you
back
go.
five.
Yep.
Eugenio Santos, back five.
Tap, tap.